In today's fast-paced, ever-evolving financial markets, having the right tools can make or break your trading journey. And that's precisely what we're about to delve into today. The most advanced and accurate TradingView indicators for you to conquer the markets in 2023 and beyond. These are not your average run-of-the-mill indicators. No, these are the creme de la creme, the elite tools that have been reshaping how traders analyze, strategize, and ultimately, profit. Whether you're a beginner dipping your toes into the trading world or a seasoned trader looking for that extra edge, this is a video you can't afford to miss. These indicators could very well be your ticket to a new level of trading success. We'll be breaking down each indicator, explaining how it works, why it's so effective, and how you can incorporate it into your own trading strategy. So, ready to revolutionize your trading game? Grab a notepad, sit back, and let's uncover the secrets of the most advanced and accurate TradingView indicators. Let's get started. Traders, if you're looking to take your trading skills to a whole new level, we highly recommend the TraderEdge app. Thousands of traders around the world use TraderEdge to gain an edge over their competition. User-friendly trading strategy backtester, profit and loss calendar, most effective indicators and strategies, all in one place. If you sign up for TraderEdge today, you'll get a backtesting course and a high win rate strategy builder course for free. Both courses are valued at over $300. This is an exclusive offer that won't last, so don't wait to take advantage of this great opportunity. Sign up for TraderEdge's 7-day free trial now and get started on the path to success. Okay, let's return to our trading indicators. To add the first tool to our chart, open the indicators and type Chandelier Exit. The one you're looking for is this one created by Everget. The Chandelier Exit is a volatility-based indicator that was developed by Chuck LeBeau to set stop-loss levels in trending markets. It got its name because it hangs down from the highest point, or the ceiling of the market. The Chandelier Exit is typically calculated for long positions as the highest high for a selected period, minus a multiple of the average true range, ATR. For short positions, it's the lowest low plus a multiple of the ATR. The ATR measures market volatility, and it's commonly used in the calculation of stop orders. This tool is designed to keep traders in a trend until the trend shows signs of weakness. So, if the market hits a new high, the Chandelier Exit will move up. But if the market falls, the Chandelier Exit will stay constant. This makes it a type of trailing stop. This indicator will be used to define the entry and exit points as well as the stop level for both long and short positions. If the price crosses the Chandelier Exit line, it could be an indication that it's time to close the position and secure profits, as the trend might be reversing. Chandelier Exit settings can be modified. Changing the ATR period to a higher number will increase signal lag. The ATR multiplier can also be adjusted. Generally, the lower the number, the more signals the indicator issues. Default inputs will be kept. The only thing we will change is the indicator's style. Simply uncheck everything except the buy and sell labels. As you can see, the indicator's signals are quite accurate in a trending market. However, in a range market, the Chandelier Exit doesn't really work. So how can we leave the good signals and cancel the majority of fake ones? That's where the next indicator comes into play. This tool is called the Ranging Market Detector by Astride Unicorn. The indicator shows the difference between the absolute slope value and its long-term average as a histogram. When a bar of the histogram is higher than the threshold level presented by the red line, the market is in a trending regime. In this regime, the background of the indicator is blue. When the market is in a range regime, the indicator background turns red. The threshold level helps to control the lag. The greater it is, the more lagging the indicator will be. By default, this value is set to a negative value. It means that the indicator switches from range to trend a little bit earlier than the slope gets higher than the average slope. You can use the value of zero or low negative values to find the optimal trade-off between the strength of the signals and their lag. We will change the threshold to 0.2. Also, let's adjust the indicator's style. Change the background color from red to gray so that we don't get confused. The gray zone will be a no-trade zone. With this indicator, we can ensure that the fake signals given by the Chandelier Exit are eliminated. This way we can benefit from the indicator's accuracy and get the most out of the trading signals. Let's take a look at how well the Range Market Detector performs during a market consolidation. You can see that pretty much all the losing trades were eliminated as they appeared on a gray background. However, even with these two powerful tools in place, we cannot be fully confident when entering the market. The strategy misses one crucial aspect. Price action. If you've been trading for a while, you know that not taking into account key levels of support and resistance or supply and demand is a huge mistake. For instance, a market might be in an uptrend and meet all the criteria of the strategy. But if price action shows that the market is near a key resistance level, then entering the market might not be a good idea. That's why we cannot blindly follow these buy and sell signals, even if they're confirmed by the second indicator. Of course, we can draw support and resistance levels manually. This takes some practice. If you're a beginner, you can take an easier path and add automatic key levels to the chart. There are many options out there. We recommend the Supply and Demand Visible Range Indicator by Lux Algo. The Supply and Demand Visible Range Indicator is a valuable tool in technical analysis, providing traders with insights into levels where there is a significant imbalance between buying and selling pressure. This imbalance often leads to shifts in price, making these levels important to monitor for potential trading opportunities. This indicator visually plots the areas of highest trading activity on a price chart, highlighting potential supply and demand zones. These zones are represented by horizontal blocks or zones on the chart. When price reaches these zones, there is a high probability of a trend reversal. The most effective trading strategy with these indicators is to wait for price to retest a key level a few times. Then, enter the market when a buy or sell signal is issued. For example, here the price found strong resistance. We can tell this by looking at past price action. The market struggled to break through this price, which is a good opportunity to sell the stock the next time it approaches this level. To determine our entry price, we wait for a Chandelier Exit to issue a sell signal. Range Market Detector must confirm a signal. We can see that a blue histogram bar appears at the same time the signal was given. This is all we need. Open a short trade at the close of a bar and target 2 times the risk. Place the stop loss just above the recent swing high. You can even target the demand zone. If the zone is too far away from the entry price, be sure to secure some profit by adjusting the stop loss. This is after the price started moving in your favor. The next sell example has a similar scenario. Here the price struggled to break above the supply zone. Remember, we have to wait for a retest a few times before we can consider the level strong. Only then can we open a sell position if the rest of the conditions are met. The next example shows how price found support by bouncing off this demand zone. There were at least 2 rejections before a confirmed buy signal was issued. This gives us plenty of confidence to open a long position. The very next buy signal was also very successful. Give this trading strategy a try, but don't forget to backtest it first. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more. Till next time.